What's going on, guys? It's Rachel here with the Community Cash Playbook. Willard is out. He is done with this video. That's okay. I'm glad you guys are still here. But you guys are seriously fired up about these community boards, and so are me and Dalton. We love doing these community boards, so we're super excited that you're excited. So I wanted to make another video talking about the whole process, kind of running through it again, so you guys can see the full picture of it again. So, what are they? It's a 24-inch by 36-inch dry erase board. It's 2 feet by 3 feet, so a big, huge board. Think of like those ones that you see at the front of restaurants. And then you place them inside of a high traffic location, like a restaurant or a gym, a bar, a coffee shop, anywhere where there's a lot of foot traffic coming in and out. Step one to these boards is to find a host location. So for the sake of this video, let's say we're putting this board inside of Bob's Pizza. It's a local pizza joint. So you're going to talk to Bob, tell him all about the board, get him to say yes, and say he'll keep the board up for an entire year. Step two is you're going to fill those spots. There's going to be 6 spots, 6 advertiser spots here on the bottom of the board that you're going to fill. And you actually leverage who Bob knows in the community in order to fill that board. So you sit there and you ask him, who's your plumber? When the roof leaks, who do you call? Who's your lawyer? Who do you use for insurance? You can even ask him who cuts his hair. I mean, anybody that Bob knows in the local community has just become a warm referral for you to call and say, hey, I'm putting up this board inside of Bob's restaurant. Would you want to be on it? That's the key piece to these boards. You're putting it inside of somebody's location and you get to leverage their network and their referrals. And you kind of just make it about them. Say, hey, I really want to make sure that people that you respect and enjoy in this community are on this board, proudly displayed in your location. So I think that's one of the most unique pieces about this board is that with the postcards, it's pretty much all cold, and you're just sort of reaching out to any local business in the community. With these boards, you're leaving with a pocket full of referrals. So that's going to be step number two, is to fill those 6 local sponsor spots. And chances are, if you get enough referrals, you're going to fill them with those referrals. But if not, then you're just going to branch out like you would on the community cards. So go to any HVAC company, plumbing company, roofer, excavation company, whatever you can think of, to ask them if they want to be on this board. So you're going to charge $600 per spot times 6 spots. That means you're going to collect $3,600. Now let's talk about what it's going to cost you to get this done. $349 to print and ship the board, roughly $40 for the stand to put it on, and $8 for the markers, because we do supply the markers for the host location as well. We don't expect them to get this super cool board and no markers to write on it. That leaves you with $3,200 in profit in your pocket. That's more than a 90% profit margin. How cool is that? So now one of the questions that comes up the most is, why would the host location say yes? So in this case, we're talking about Bob's Pizza. Why is Bob going to say, yes, I'll take one of these boards? Well, first of all, he gets it completely for free, and he gets a super cool board that he can then write all of his specials on. So you can write specials, announcements, anything that you want to draw attention to. You can write those on there with really bright markers and draw attention to it. It becomes a really easy yes for these host locations. And then on the flip side, why do the businesses say yes? Because they get to be in front of Bob's customers for an entire year. It's the same concept as a billboard on the highway. It's just a mini billboard inside of a local restaurant. When you break down the math for these guys, it's less than $2 a day for them to advertise on one of these boards for an entire year. If you guys want to check this out, there's a link in the description. When you purchase the board course, we actually ship you a free demo board that looks just like this one, except it doesn't say Missoula. So that's shipped directly to you. You can use it for prospecting. You can write on it. You can do whatever you want with it. It makes prospecting and showing your potential host locations and potential advertisers how cool this board really is. So that gets shipped to you 100% free. Also get access to everything else inside of the community card playbooks. That means you have access to the community card playbook, which outlines how to do community cards and make $1,000 with those. And you have access to other various AI trainings that we've done, including an email warm-up training. So that is something that we're always getting asked about, is, are my emails landing on spam? So we actually did an entire call based on this topic, and it's something that we talk about a lot. You get access to all of that on top of the board course. I can't wait to see you guys try this in your area.